Okay, ready? You start where you're drinking the green. Action.
Zokar, you're pushing my buttons. From now on, you follow my orders.
Oh, I wish you hadn't have broken up.
Well, a bit longer.
Huh?
Take a little longer.
Dripping on my
Okay.
gun.
Okay. That'll work.
658
That'll work
00.
for us.
So,
That really looked good.
Did it look good?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll have to do it again.
No, you don't have to do it again. I just want to see Zokar lifting up his knee and saying, I get to play Mr. Scary again?
Oh, okay.
Okay, here we go.
Well, I'm not in that then.
Nope, no, I just want to look at it.
Here, let me take this and wipe that off.
That's good. Okay.
I think we just messed up Dave's gun.
Okay, hold it now. Several more without flash.
Don't smile, Cora.
As soon as you're out, Ari.
Don't smile.
Hold it. Thank you.
All right, now grab some pizza. Ew.